मैम, क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे? नहीं, हम कॉकरोच को इतना लाड प्यार से नहीं रखते। आज पाउडर लगा देंगे तो कल फॉग मांगेगा।
Welcome students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make animated videos with the help of Scratch coding language. I know you were very eagerly waiting for this tutorial. So without wasting time, I'll be taking you directly on Scratch coding window. Now dear students, directly taking you to the tutorial. So first of all, I'll be wanting two sprites. So what I'll do here, the default sprite I'll just put on cross. Now I have to insert a new sprite. So I'll click from here. So from here I want to take two sprites, suppose people, and from here I'll take one will be this ID, this sprite, and second I'll take D. So one sprite will be this one, and second sprite I'll be taking this one. Yes. So I have taken two sprites. So this sprite is okay, D sprite is okay, but this sprite is not perfect. Actually is looking opposite direction. So what I have to do, I have to select this sprite. I'll go to costumes, and under costumes you will find here flip horizontal and flip vertical. So I'll be using flip horizontal. And here under costumes, the second one, every B, this one also I click to flip horizontal. So this is okay now. Then again I'll be back in coding. You could see here they both are standing like this. Now after this I want to change the background. So I'll go here at the bottom here, choose a backdrop. And from here I can click on outdoors, and from the outdoor I can select any backdrop. So I'll select this one, metro. Okay, and I'll place according to that situation. Now here I want that these both should speak, but they should speak properly. Whatever text I should type, that text should be spoken. So firstly I'll take with D, and then I'll go to events, under event when clicked. So afterwards I want that whenever my program starts, my this sprite D should always be at this place. So just for that, earlier also I have taught you that we have X position and Y position. So X is minus 47, Y is minus 75. If I'll change it, you could see it is changing. So what I can do, from motion I can set to go to X minus 24, Y minus 76, and this is the same direction, X 24 minus 76. So I'll take this one and I'll place it here. So these are the two codes. And also one thing I want, because I want that in my this joke, this D character will fall down. So every time whenever I'll start this program, he should be back standing in 90-degree angle. So one thing more I want to add, I want to add point in direction 90. From here I'll take this code, this I'll place it here, and then this. So these codings, what they have done, so whenever I'll start, always this D character will stand in 90-degree angle and under x minus 24, y minus 76, means this position only. Suppose I'll make it here, I'll show you when I'll start the program, always it is standing here only, this position. I hope it is clear to you. Now if suppose direction I'll change, let it be, it is suppose like this. Now if I'll start this program, you could see it is always in the 90-degree angle. So I hope these commands are very much clear to you. Now afterwards I want to change the costume of D. So means when he is starting to talk with every, so how it should talk. So different costumes are there. So suppose I want to start with this costume and the costume is B. I'll go to coding and under looks I'll just select switch costume to B. I hope it is clear. And now I want to add one more block which is not available here by default, like pen block it is not available. We have to add the same way, we have to add this block also, add extension. Here you will find text to speech. So this block we want to add. So this is added here, text to speech. Now here you could see set language to English. So I'll just drag it here and I can make it to English to Hindi. So I have to find where Hindi is. If I am writing something and if I want that my character should speak in Hindi, I have to use this. I'll just select this in Hindi. Then you could see one more command under this block, set voice. So I can just select this one. You could see different options here. So I'll just make it to giant here, set voice to giant. So that much I have done. Now this is another command, speak. I'll just place it here. Whatever I'll type it, my sprite will say that thing. That means he will speak that thing, that sound will come. So what I'll do, I'll just type here, as in my joke I have already shown, मैम क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे. So this I have already shown you in my teaser video. Now means I have to show that both the characters are talking to each other, so I have to use wait command also. So first of all I'll go to control and under control there is a wait command. So after this, after speaking this, I want to use wait command for 2 seconds. So let's see. If I'll click on go, let's see whether it is talking or not.
मैम क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे?
So it's working fine. Now that means now when he has spoken something, the other character should also speak something. So after wait, I want to use think sign. I can click on looks and you could see here think. Under think you can type anything or any emojis, anything. So after typing my emojis, I want to change costume of D character. So how to change? I'll use here switch costume to, so it's okay, E1. E1 is this one. That means it is showing that it is thinking or waiting what the other character will say. So after this, when this thing is been done, I'll move towards every character. Now when he has said something, so that she should also say something. So here also I'll click upon events when clicked. So whenever my program starts, I want that the default costume should be this one, every B. So I'll click here, looks, under looks, switch costume to every B. So I have to wait some time, because till that time when the event starts, the D is saying plenty of things. So I have to give time to that talk, what D is saying. So I have already done this, so I know that I have to make this character wait for at least 5 seconds. So I'll go to control, under control I'll click on wait command, and then wait, I'll just click on 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the same thing I have to do, text to speech, set language to Hindi, and then set voice. Now here we will change the voice. Set language to Hindi, then set voice to, I will see what are the options are there, tenure. So we will just select this one, and then speak. Now here in speaking we have to type कि नहीं हम कॉकरोच को इतना लाड प्यार से नहीं रखते, आज पाउडर लगा देंगे तो कल को फॉग मांगेगा. So that I'll type. So I have typed all these things, and then after this I want to change the costume, switch costume to A, and the A costume is this one. In that costume it is showing that it is the character is putting the hands up. So I'll show you why. Firstly we'll check it whether it is working or not.
मैम क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे? नहीं, हम कॉकरोच को इतना लाड प्यार ऐसी नहीं रखते, आज पाउडर लगा देंगे तो कल क्यों फॉग मांगेगा.
So okay, so this is okay. Now afterwards, now I have to be back to my main character, that after listening what every is saying, what is the response of D character, because he is surprised. So I have to go back to my D character. He is waiting. Now the event starts for D character, because every saying some of the words, so we have to wait. So already waited 2 seconds earlier. Now again we'll wait for 6 seconds. So I have used wait command here because I have already done this program earlier, so I know that I have to use wait command. But when you are making your video, you have to check it again and again, that when the talk is going on between two characters, how much time you have to wait for the other character to complete the sentence. So after 6 seconds I want to change the costume again. So I'll go to look, and this time I want to change the character to C, and C is this one. So afterwards I want that it should turn towards 90 degree. So I'll use this one. And then afterwards the same thing, after making it to 90 degree, because when I'll use this command turning to 90 degree, it will turn this side. I'll show you how. It will turn like this side, but it seems it is in the air, so I have to put it down also. So along with this, I want that I have to use Y command. So Y is somewhere here. I have to make it to look like that it is lying on the floor. It has fallen down all the floor. So I have to change the value of Y. Change Y by minus 50. Now I'll check whether it is working or not.
मैम क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे? नहीं, हम कॉकरोच को इतना लाड प्यार ऐसी नहीं रखते, आज पाउडर लगा देंगे तो कल क्यों फॉग मांगेगा.
So it's looking okay. Now I have to use some funny sounds in this to make this joke more attractive, or to make this animation more attractive. What I should do? So just for that, I'll just click every character, and after this I have to start this sound. So just to add the sound, you could see here sounds. I'll click it here on sounds, and at the bottom you could find here this speaker type icon. Click it here, and then I'll just click on any of these icons just to find some kind of a funny noise. So one I had already found, this one, this kind of a sound of a spring. So I'll click on this. So this has been added here. One more I want to add laugh, crowd laugh. So I'll again click here, choose a sound, and then here I can click upon voice. There is different type of laugh, but I want the crowd laugh. I'll click upon this. After that I have added, I'll just go to code. So under every I want to add sound. So I'll click here, sound one, sound block. Because I have added the sounds, it will show here. So I'll click on start sound, this one, this block. I'll drag it down, and here I'll just start bing boing, this one which I have added earlier, and after this start sound, crowd laugh. This I can use play sound crowd laugh until done. So now if I'll play this, let's see.
मैम क्या आप कॉकरोच के लिए पाउडर लेंगे? नहीं, हम कॉकरोच को इतना लाड प्यार ऐसी नहीं रखते, आज पाउडर लगा देंगे तो कल क्यों फॉग मांगेगा.
So nearly it's okay, because this was the tutorial and I know that you will do better than me. I have already shown you how to go with the coding. The main coding is set language. You can just make the jokes in English also or in Hindi, because I have already showed you the teaser video of this joke. That's why I have covered this joke as a tutorial. So you can just make your own videos. If anything you feel like is not clear, you can always comment at the bottom. And then in this I have just taught you two things: set voice, that means text to speech block which has been added, and how to add other sounds, that also I have taught you. So I am closing my tutorial here only, and I'll be waiting for your comments. Bye bye.